Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Sprout TV, the place where your English grows naturally every day. I am Alex.
And I am Emma. Hello, everyone. We are so happy you are here with us today. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, and let's practice real English together.
Today, we are talking about two very small words that cause a very big problem for many English learners. Those two words are say and tell.
Yes, say and tell. They are short words, but they can be very confusing. Many students translate from their own language and make mistakes. They say things like, he said me, or she told that she was tired.
And those sentences sound unnatural in English. So today, we are going to make this very clear. By the end of this episode, you will know when to use say, when to use tell, and how to use them in real conversations.
Let's start with the word tell. The most important rule for tell is this. Tell usually needs a person. You tell someone something. The person comes directly after tell.
Exactly. The pattern is tell plus person plus information. For example, tell me, tell him, tell her, tell us, tell them, tell your friend, tell the teacher.
So we can say, tell me the answer. We can say, tell him to wait. We can say, tell us what happened. In all of these examples, there is a person immediately after tell.
Let's practice with a simple conversation. Imagine I ask Emma a question. Emma, can you tell me your favorite food?
I can tell you my favorite food. My favorite food is pasta. I love pasta with tomato sauce.
Perfect. You told me your favorite food. Notice the structure. You told me, not you said me. You told me.
Right. Now let me ask you, Alex, can you tell me what time it is?
I can tell you the time. It is almost time for coffee.
Very good. You told me the time. Again, tell plus person. Tell me, tell you, tell him, tell her.
A very common mistake is saying he told that he was hungry. This is not complete because tell needs a person. You need to say he told me that he was hungry or he told us that he was hungry.
Yes, the person is necessary. If there is no person, we usually use say instead. For example, he said that he was hungry. That sentence is correct because say focuses on the words, not the person receiving the words.
So let's move to the word say. The main rule for say is that say focuses on the words. You say something. You do not usually put a person directly after say.
The pattern is say plus words. For example, she said hello. He said thank you. They said they were tired. What did you say?
Notice we do not say she said me hello. We say she said hello. We do not say he said me he was tired. We say he said he was tired.
If you want to include the person with say, you need to use to. For example, he said hello to me. She said sorry to him. They said thank you to us.
But in many everyday sentences, native speakers simply leave out the person. We just say, he said he was busy. She said she was coming. They said the movie was good.
Let's compare tell and say side by side. With tell, we say, she told me she was busy. With say, we say, she said she was busy. Both sentences give the same information, but the grammar is different.
Tell needs the person. She told me. Say does not need the person. She said. This is the biggest difference.
Let's do a real conversation using say. Alex, what did you say to the barista this morning?
I said, hello, can I have a coffee, please? Then I said, thank you very much.
Great. You said hello. You said thank you. You focused on the words. Now, did the barista say anything to you?
Yes, he said your coffee will be ready soon.
Perfect. He said the words. Now, can you tell me what he said?
I can tell you what he said. He told me my coffee would be ready soon.
Excellent. Now we have both. He said the words. He told me the information.
This is a great example. When we report information, we often use both say and tell. For example, Emma said she likes tea, but Emma told me she likes tea.
Exactly. If we use tell, we need the listener. Emma told me. Emma told him. Emma told us. If we use say, we can just report the words. Emma said she likes tea.
Now let's talk about instructions and orders. This is very common in daily life. When someone gives an instruction, we often use tell plus person plus to plus verb.
For example, my boss told me to finish the report. The teacher told us to open our books. The doctor told him to drink more water.
We do not usually use say for instructions like this. We do not say, my boss said me to finish the report. That is incorrect. We say, my boss told me to finish the report.
However, we can use say if we report the exact words. For example, my boss said, finish the report. But if we combine it with the person and the instruction, tell is usually better. My boss told me to finish the report.
Let's practice this. Emma, imagine your manager gives you an instruction. What did your manager tell you to do?
My manager told me to send the email before lunch. What about you? What did your manager tell you to do?
My manager told me to call the client this afternoon.
Very good. Both sentences use told plus person plus to plus verb. Told me to send, told me to call.
Now let's talk about fixed expressions. English always has some phrases that we just need to memorize. Some expressions use tell and some expressions use say.
Let's start with tell. We tell a story. We tell a joke. We tell the truth. We tell a lie. We tell the time.
For example, can you tell me a story? He told a funny joke. Please tell the truth. Don't tell lies. Can you tell me the time?
Notice that some of these expressions include a person, like tell me a story, but some expressions are fixed, like tell a joke or tell the truth.
Now let's look at fixed expressions with say. We say hello. We say goodbye. We say yes. We say no. We say sorry. We say please. We say thank you.
For example, always say hello to your neighbors. She said goodbye and left. He said yes to the job offer. I said sorry for being late. Don't forget to say thank you.
These are very common in everyday English. We do not usually say tell hello. We say hello. We do not say tell sorry. We say sorry.
Let's practice with a short conversation. Alex, imagine you meet my friend for the first time. What do you say?
I say, hello, nice to meet you.
Good. And when you leave, what do you say?
I say, goodbye, it was nice meeting you.
Perfect. You said hello and you said goodbye. Now, if I ask you to repeat your name, what do I say?
You say, can you say your name again, please?
Exactly. Say your name. Say the words. Now, if I want your phone number, what do I say?
You can say, can you tell me your phone number?
Yes, tell me your phone number. Tell plus person plus information. Very good.
Let's talk about another common situation, asking for information. When we ask for information, we often use tell. For example, can you tell me where the station is? Can you tell me your address? Can you tell me what happened?
These are very natural questions. We do not usually say, can you say me where the station is? That is incorrect. We say, can you tell me where the station is?
But if we ask about the words someone used, we use say. For example, what did she say? Did he say anything? I didn't hear what they said.
So if you want the information, use tell. If you want the exact words, use say. For example, tell me the answer. But what did he say?
Let's practice with a conversation about gossip. Gossip is a very common real-life situation, and it uses say and tell a lot.
Yes, gossip grammar. Alex, did you hear about Tom?
No, what happened? Tell me.
Well, Tom said he is moving to another city.
Really? Did he tell you why?
Yes, he told me he got a new job there.
Wow, what did he say about his apartment?
He said he already found a new apartment.
That was fast. Did he tell anyone else?
I think he told our friends, but he didn't tell the boss yet.
Good conversation. Notice the grammar. Tell me. He told me. He told our friends. These all have a person after tell.
And with say, we focused on the words. Tom said he is moving. He said he found a new apartment. No person directly after say.
Let's look at one more very common mistake. Many learners say, she told to me. This is not natural. We do not usually say, she told to me. We say, she told me.
Right. Tell does not usually need to before the person. We say tell me, tell him, tell her, tell us, tell them, not tell to me.
But with say, if you include the person, you do need to. She said hello to me. He said sorry to her. They said thank you to us.
So remember this: tell plus person, say plus to plus person if you include the person. But often with say, we do not include the person.
Now let's practice reported speech in a simple way. Reported speech is when we talk about what someone else said.
For example, imagine your friend says, "I am tired." Later, you report this to me. You can say, "My friend said he was tired." Or you can say, "My friend told me he was tired."
Both are correct. The first one uses said. The second one uses told me. The meaning is very similar.
Let's try another example. Your mother says, "Dinner is ready." Later, you report this. You can say, "My mom said dinner was ready." Or, "My mom told me dinner was ready."
Good. Another example. Your teacher says the test is tomorrow. You can say, "The teacher said the test was tomorrow." Or, "The teacher told us the test was tomorrow."
Perfect. When we use told, we include the person. Told me, told us. When we use said, we can simply report the message.
Now let's do a quick mini quiz. I will give you a sentence with a blank. You decide if the answer is say or tell. Ready, Emma?
I am ready. Let's begin.
Number 1. Can you blank me your name? Is it say or tell?
The answer is tell. Can you tell me your name? Because me is the person.
Correct. Number 2. What did she blank? Is it say or tell?
The answer is say. What did she say? Because we are asking about the words.
Good. Number 3. He blank a funny joke yesterday. Is it say or tell?
The answer is tell. He told a funny joke. Tell a joke is a fixed expression.
Excellent. Number 4. Don't forget to blank goodbye. Is it say or tell?
The answer is say. Don't forget to say goodbye. Say goodbye is a fixed expression.
Very good. Number 5. My doctor blank me to sleep more. Is it say or tell?
The answer is tell. My doctor told me to sleep more because there is a person, me, and an instruction.
Great job, Emma, and great job to everyone listening. If you got all 5 correct, you should feel very proud.
Now, let's slow down and review the most important rules one more time. First, tell usually needs a person. Tell me, tell him, tell her, tell us, tell them.
Second, say focuses on the words. Say hello, say thank you, say sorry, say yes, say no. We do not put a person directly after say.
Third, if you want to include the person with say, use to. Say hello to me. Say thank you to him. Say sorry to her.
Fourth, for instructions, use tell plus person plus to plus verb. My boss told me to finish the work. My teacher told us to study.
Fifth, for fixed expressions, memorize them as chunks. Tell a story, tell a joke, tell the truth, tell a lie, tell the time. Say hello, say goodbye, say sorry, say please, say thank you.
And finally, when you report what someone said, you can often use both. She said she was tired. She told me she was tired. Both are natural. Just remember the structure.
Now it is your turn to practice. We always say that listening is important, but speaking and writing are how you really learn. So we have a small homework task for you.
In the comments, write 2 sentences about your day. In the first sentence, use tell. In the second sentence, use say. For example, my friend told me a secret, and my brother said he was hungry.
Yes, write your 2 sentences in the comments. Do not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes help you learn. We will read as many comments as we can and help you if you need it.
And if you want to practice more, try talking to yourself today. Use say and tell in simple sentences. Look around your room and say, I am practicing English. Then tell yourself, I can do this.
That is a great idea. You can say, I'm improving, and you can tell yourself, keep going. That is real English practice.
Before we finish, let's do one more short, real conversation. This time, we will use say and tell naturally. Emma, can you tell me about your weekend?
Sure. My weekend was nice. My sister told me about a new restaurant. She said the food was amazing.
Oh, that sounds good. Did she tell you the name of the restaurant?
Yes, she told me it is called the Green Garden. She said we should go there together.
Great, I hope you go. What did you say to her?
I said yes, of course. Then I told her I love trying new restaurants.
Perfect. You used told me, said the food, told you the name, said yes, and told her. That is excellent natural English.
Thank you. Now, let me ask you, Alex, can you tell me one thing you learned today?
I learned that tell needs a person and say focuses on the words. I also learned that we tell jokes, but we say hello.
Exactly. And I learned that English learners can understand this if we practice slowly and clearly.
That is the goal of English Sprout TV. We want to help you grow your English step by step with real conversations and clear explanations.
So if this episode helped you, please like the video and subscribe to English Sprout TV. It helps more learners find our channel and practice with us.
And remember, do not just listen. Use the words. Write your sentences in the comments. Practice out loud. Speak slowly and give yourself time to grow.
Thank you so much for spending your time with us today. We are very proud of you for practicing.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep growing your English.
See you next time on English Sprout TV.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep practicing.